Alright, got the Fit Special Funtana. Had a maiden on it the other day, and this thing flies well, but definitely different. I actually have the ailerons down at 20% throw right now. Definitely flies well since I got it trimmed out, Jim.
Yeah.
Still got a little drop in the nose, but nothing major. It has quite a bit of power to weight too.
That kind of airplane shouldn't you?
I think so. I think it's designed to hang on the prop and stuff. It's a 2200 3S. You know, I don't remember. I think this ESC did say on the side of it 2 to 4S. But I could be wrong on that. It's easy to get to the ESC, so I could definitely take another look. But oh yeah, the 3-cell has got oodles. I'll give us a high-speed pass here in front of us. Pouring on the coals right now. Going up. She's still climbing. Just there, ran out. Yeah, I love those swap meets that we went to. You get a good deal on a plane like this, $40. Had to do about maybe 20 minutes worth of work on it, on little small things. Put a receiver in it, which I already had, and batteries, which I already had. So for $40, you got a ton of fun in your hands. And if you have a mishap, you know what? It's only 40 bucks. If I get 4 flights out of it, it's $10 a flight. About the same as it costs to go to the movies. So pure entertainment, man. You want to fly it?
Huh?
You want to fly it?
I'll let you fly.
Let me see if I...
I had to put a servo in it.
The shoestring?
Yeah. No, the...
I was going to say, it was working fine.
I had to put in the other one, the one I got today. Yeah, it's giving me a lot of problems.
Which one are you talking
The
about?
one I brought today.
Oh, the Sportster.
Sportster, yeah. I had to put a servo in it. And,
I'm going to come around and try to land.
I'm going to run by Roy's and see if he's got the same servo that I bought. And put one in on the ailerons.
They usually have full-size servos in stock, but they rarely carry the 9-grammers.
That's where I lost mine a minute ago.
Go around. Deck boss waved him off. Oh, that sun got me.
Yeah, but I had to pull down the tubing. I put it in the wheels.
Yeah?
Change everything out, find the wheels. Anyway, I was on that for about 2 hours after I texted you last night.
Oh, wow.
Because I was running out of time. I thought, well, I may not make it out there. Had to check the CG.
Well, we're not taking that little piece of poopy.
It was just touch and go.
That was a good one hopper. Alright, let's try to set up for an actual real-time landing now. That elevator is just so sensitive. I'll take that one.
I'm going to bring the shoestring out here.
Looks like I got part of my covering coming up.
In the future, borrow your transmitter, go up and fly it.
Yeah, yeah. I think you should before you give it away, because you may decide you like it.